Okay, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do an oil change, but I'm going to do it with a pump and suck it out of the where the dipstick goes. Not sure how this is going to go. Apparently, from what I've been reading, this engine takes 6.4 litres. Now, I've got 4 2-litre empty bottles, gives me plenty of space. I don't think it's going to suck out 6.4 litres. I'll let you know during, see what happens. I've got some proper Ford engine oil to replace it with. I wouldn't advise doing this as a proper oil change. In between services, yes, why not? But I think it's going to leave some residue in the bottom anyhow. So wire the pump up to your battery. It is one directional. Tube fed down into the dipstick. Tube into your capture and turn it on. The oil filter, the size, you need a 36mm socket. I've misplaced mine, so I'm going to change it after I've done the oil filter and oil change and I've found it. You can do that way round, but what you have to do, you have to crack the housing, not open it fully and leave it for a minute for the oil to drain out back down into the sump from out the filter, then you can change the filter. So it can be done after you've done the oil change, it's not an issue, you're just going to get a bit of dirty oil from the filter back in. Once I get close to the top of the 2-litre bottle, I'm going to turn the pump off, swap the bottles over and keep an eye on it. The old 2 litres of sludgy oil. Second 2 litres is being drained out now. Like I said at the start, you can't be jacking the car up, cracking the sump plug and draining it out properly. Remember to warm your engine up a little bit as well, 3 or 4 minutes prior to it. Any sediment that's in the bottom should be circulating back round anyhow, so you should be able to get most of the gunk out if you can reach the bottom of the sump properly, because you can't visually see that. Bottle number 3, that should make it 6 litres and there should still be some more in it, because like I said, Ford say it should be 6.4 litres with an oil filter change, but as I'm not doing it, it might be less. I don't think this would get the whole 6.4 litres out anyway. You have to keep fiddling with the pipe sometimes because it seems to not flow as much. It's flowing nicely now. Don't know whether you can see that on the camera. The tone of the pump also changes as well. Well, that's 6 litres I've got out of that, which is about right because I haven't took the filter out. If you know any different, let me know in the comments. So I've gone for this. I have made a noob mistake, which I've just noticed. Before using the suction, you should actually undo your the oil cap to release any pressure that's in there, so anything else drops down and it can be sucked out. My mistake. I'm putting the full 6 litres in, and when I checked the oil yesterday it was below max. And so I know I took 6 litres out, so I put 6 litres in and it shouldn't be overfilled. I will check though. Now for the test. Nice clean dipstick. It's about halfway. Now I need to run the engine for 5 minutes, get it circulated, then leave it to sit for 5 minutes and re-dip it. So I'll be back soon. So this is what I forgot yesterday. It's a 3/8 square drive and it's a low profile one. And as you can see on the back, it is for a Ford. Worth every penny, the $4.99. Straight onto the top of the oil filter housing. old filter out. I'm just going to pop this seal off. I'll give it a clean as well. The filter housing's pretty clean. I'll give that a wipe out before I put the new one in as well. Popped it off with a screwdriver. I'll drop it on the floor for a minute. New filter on, new seal. Just give everything a wipe now. There is the torque settings on the top, but I don't have a torque wrench to fit down there, so I'm going to have to be very careful. It's all done and dusted.